Hey guys, in this video, I finish up the engine hoist system. I put the remaining 2x6s inside, and I also put the through bolts. But wait around to the end, you're going to see something you won't believe. I could have died in this video. Hey, those of you that are new to the channel, this is my 1988 Bayliner project boat that I'm restoring for the Great Loop. If you don't know what that is, subscribe to the channel. It's going to be a good time.
Let me ride.
You're working, dude.
Oh, can you help?
No, you can't do this. All right, bring that up. Get your little one. Now what you're gonna do is go over there near that pole, but on this one, you're gonna go over there, put this right up to this, but on that side, over there. And you're gonna help hold this one so I can get screws in it, or nails in it.
Well, I really have no room though.
That's fine.
Like right there?
Yeah. There you go, like that. But leave it on the pole, yep. Just like that. All right,
My neck hurts.
get ready.
My neck hurts so bad from
It's only gonna take a second to get it in there and me get a couple of nails in it. Let me get one in it. Saying at that, all I wanna know is it level like this one is.
I think it is.
That's level.
All right, push up 1 second, Bubby, and I'm gonna hit another one. All right, then I'm gonna try to adjust it. Keep coming, keep your hands on it till I tell you to take them loose. Okay. I need to get in the middle. Let's get this sucker out of there. Put some. Do you trust your work? I have no idea.
So this was the next day. I have all the wood in there. As you can see, it's totally filled out. And all that I needed to do is do the through bolts, which are going to be 2 on each post and then 2 about a third of the way in. It's funny all the things that go through your mind when you're working 20 foot in the air. Like, what if this ladder breaks? Am I going to hang on to this, try to shimmy down the pole? Is someone watch my videos and try to do something that maybe they shouldn't and they get hurt? Just know that I'm a retired firefighter. I probably take more risks than the average, but they are calculated risks.
That's pretty good. That's good. Well, that's complete. I got 3 bolts, 2 1/2" through each post. And then I got one about 3 foot out, one about 3 foot out. So that should really hold it.
So the final thing that I needed to do here was to put the chain around it so I could hook the hoist to it. And you might see me using a dock pole to push it out there.
I'm trying not to touch that, though it's insulated. That is hot wire. And I don't want to mess with that if I can get around it. You can touch it, but what if you touch the place that has a break? This ladder. Adjustment there. Works. Now, use this. I think I can move it to the center once I'm down there. Figure out where the center is. It looks like it's got to go more. Hopefully.
Guys, this is the part where when I seen what I'm going to show you in just a minute, I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe that thing didn't break.
Get it done without falling. Ain't falling. A lot more weight on the ladder. All right, that was a challenge. Now I'm gonna see if I'm gonna start working on the engine, put some pressure on that chain, get it to tighten up where the 3 links are all together, and then we should be good. Hey guys, I had to reshoot this video because the file I had was corrupted. But when I was on the boat, after I'd done all this work up here on this lift, I seen this. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you. This freaking thing is broke. Look at that, all the way down, all the way down. I cannot believe if that thing would have cut loose, if that thing would have been broke, it'd have been Katie bar the door, boys. Wow.